Alright, hi guys. So this here is an example of a menu I'm from Winston-Salem. So this is an example from a menu for a high school for Forsyth County schools. And I know when I went there, didn't really enjoy the cafeteria food much because even with like the junk food, the pizza, the popcorn chicken. It just didn't taste real. You could tell that it was frozen and just wasn't that great. But based off of this menu, a lot of it is foods that, high school students would eat. Chicken filet sandwich, probably not so much. But a cheeseburger, pepperoni or veggie pizza, calzones, popcorn chicken. Those are the things that a lot of high school students I know would eat. But a lot of it is not healthy. The only healthy options they really have, I guess, is a chicken filet sandwich. Well, probably not, because it's probably fried. There's, I guess, chicken and buffalo chicken wrap or turkey or ham sandwich, and then you can choose a salad, and then some of the choices, side choices are spinach salad, carrots, vegetables, and fruit and stuff, which is good. That's good. So a lot of the side choices are, on average, majority of it looks pretty healthy, but the main courses could be better, a lot better. And choices of like drinks. I know when I was there, it doesn't really say on this menu. You can buy soda or water or milk. That was pretty much the only options that I remember. So maybe adding more. Oh, I see one here too, 100% juice. So you can get that as well. I don't know if we had that when I was there, but so overall needs improvement definitely. But yeah, this is a Forsyth. Again, this is an example of a high school menu for Forsyth County schools.